Wow, checking out the fixing of flounce with this beautiful nets on a beautiful dress. Check it out, plating it, and then see how beautiful it has come out. Let's get into it. Oh, what a beautiful design to be placed on a dress. Check it out and let's get into the business.
You're welcome to Castom to lecture once again. Thanks for all the time you spent watching my video. I appreciate you. I'm not taking you for granted. Thank you for those ones that are coming across my video this day. And I know as you watch, you like it, comment, and then subscribe. Please do share my video. I appreciate you. I'm not taking you for granted. Today I will be putting on a very beautiful baby dress. I'll be mixing it with the Africa print, with this nets, and then the lining. Let's get into it, and then we appreciate you watch this video. Okay, the largest part of the measurements is 32. Of course, you cut and fold. I've cut this baby's dress severally on my channel. Maybe we'll take time to look at it so that I don't keep explaining. So I will just go ahead and do it so that we can be, the video will not be too long. Okay, two for the wideness and then 2.5 for the depth. Okay, still be going with the round neck so I can cut it out now. Okay, the front panel is ready. Cut out the neckline, the leg design. Okay, good to go here. Okay, so I'm going to use this same shape to cut the back panel. Okay, what do? Just place it on my fabric like that. I want to cut the back panel, so I put the zipper allowance, which is about 1.5. I think 1.5 is okay. So then just place it here. Then here I'm just going to have 1 inch deep. So 1 inch deep. Okay, cut it there. I cut it through. I've created my zipper allowance here. So create your zipper allowance, put your line so that you don't mix it up. Okay, so then the next thing, I just cut it off. I'm not sure where my zip is starting from. Then of course the zipper allowance is open. So both the front and the back panel are ready. Okay, I'll be having a cut from here. I will just have a circle cuff here. You can use your pattern paper to cuff it, and you can just use your discretion as you want. So let me use the pattern paper. The front panel, I'll be using the pattern paper cuff one. If you like, you can use V as you like. So I place it on the front panel I've marked. Okay, so I will just mark it round and cut it. Okay, I've marked it now. I cut this off and then place it on the nets. Okay, beautiful. So then I place that on the nets. When I'm cutting it on the nets, I will give half an inch for the sewing allowance there. So I cut it on the nets. Okay, so I've cut it. So I will be placing it here. I will sew it here. Okay, then I will still use this lace here. I'm going to use it to form flounce. I'm going to cut flounce with this one. I will do that, then I will sew it here to give it a design. It's going to come out beautifully. Okay, so that is for the front panel. Okay, for the next, I'll be using this to line it so that it's not too transparent. Okay, you line it so that it's not too transparent. I will cut the exact thing with this lining here. Okay, let's get to the business and see how it goes. Thanks so much. God bless. Okay, I sew this in. Then before I start pleating it, I will leave half an inch here for the joining of the shoulder. So I start from here like this. Okay, then I begin to pleat it. Yes, check it out. This side is going to come out. Watch the few video. I check out the video. Then we leave the extra about half an inch that we are going to use to stitch the shoulder together. Okay, see, it's coming out so beautiful. Wow, it's already very beautiful. Okay, very beautiful already. So fine. Remove the button, the pin. It's already very beautiful. Give it a good ironing. So the next thing, I'm going to place the, okay, this is the front panel we cut. So I'll be sewing it, fixing it together. So how do I fix it? Sew it this way. Okay, so let's go. I will sew it round like this. Sew it round. Okay, to be very sure you can get the center of your half length and then get the center of this, so you can fix your, so that when you are sewing, you know whether you are already passing it or not. So you can then go on like this. You can start for, let me start from the middle here. Okay, haven't gotten your center, you can trace it up. You can start from it from one end. Okay, I start from it from this end. Then when you sew it to the end of it, you can start the second side from the second half too, so that you can be sure you will get it very correct. You can see, very perfect. It's exactly, because if you start from the middle, you might not be able to get it. If you start from the end, you can see it got it very well. Okay, so I go from the second half too. You can see it's there, so I just go this way too. So the second half, you can see it's completed now. So I'll be joining the lower part to it. You can see how beautiful it is already. You can see how beautiful it is already. You can see how beautiful it is already.